Okay, so, and then you had mentioned, so going to the bar with your friends, right? I wanna do maybe another activity with you, where you kind of put yourself in that circumstance. So you're at the bar with your friends. What's an alternative scenario? So how could it be different, the scenario, when you're there at the bar with your friends, to make you feel like less anxious or stressed out to feel like you have to drink, so therefore drinking less. So let's maybe go through, you're gonna write out,
Okay.
the situation, or do you want me to write it, or do you wanna write it?
I can write.
Okay. So let's start maybe with like, I arrive at the bar. So you arrive there, what happens?
Okay. So I arrive at the bar, my friends are there, and they're asking me if I want to drink. Okay, and I will say yes, I will have, just one drink, but I will have no more than 4 drinks. Okay,
So 4 drinks, is that less for you, normal, more than usual?
that's a lot less. I usually have like 10
Okay.
to 12 drinks, so
Okay.
that's a lot less for me. Okay, and then when my friends ask me why I'm only drinking 4 drinks, I'm gonna say because, I'm trying to focus better in class, and I wanna graduate, and I'm sick of having these hangovers.
Okay.
They'll probably act surprised, and, but I need to remain confident in my decision. I'm just gonna say, nope, 4 drinks is it.
Well, that's pretty powerful of you to realize.
And then if a friend asks me for more than, like I said, I just have to remain firm and just not give in.
Okay.
And I'm probably gonna start to get a little bit anxious because of that, because it's tough, like, basically I'm gonna feel like anxious, and it's gonna make me wanna drink more because my friends are making fun of me, and then also because I'm gonna fit in too. So,
Okay.
but I'm gonna have to remind myself that not to give in to drinking, and have my friend Gretchen, who usually takes us home. She never drinks, she's a designated driver. I'll have her take us home, or take me home, or I'll get a cab and just go home by myself.
Okay. And so Gretchen would understand that. Sounds like
Yes.
she.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Great. That's great. You have a friend that can help you out.
Yeah.
Like that. All right. So would you say that's it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Great. So and how was that for you? Did you feel a lot? Feel really heavy?
Yeah.
Kind of writing that out.
That felt like, I had a lot of anxiety thinking
Okay.
about like what's gonna happen.
Yeah, but and that's normal. So maybe we can, or if you want to read that again here, kind of imagine yourself again. The more you read it, the less maybe anxious you'll feel, and you'll get used to kind of the circumstance, so you're prepared the next time you go to the bar with your friends. So do you want to maybe read it again?
Yeah. Okay, so I arrive at the bar, and my friends are asking me if I want a drink. I'll say that I'll have 1 drink, but no more than 4. And then they're gonna, ask me why, and I'm gonna tell them because I don't wanna have hangovers, I wanna graduate, I wanna do better, and do my homework, start doing, better, I guess, in class. And I can't focus when I'm hungover and just feeling really bad. Then they'll probably make fun of me, act surprised, and, whatever. And they're gonna ask me again if I want another drink, and I'm gonna have to say no. And I'm just gonna say sorry and not care, even if they're making fun of me. Just stick to it and say, look, I can't do this right now. I have priorities, so I need to focus on school and doing good. And myself and my health too. And then I guess if I get anxious, I just need to leave the situation
Okay.
and go home.
All right. And you mentioned your friend Gretchen.
Yeah, I'll have Gretchen take me home, or I'll take a cab.
Okay. Great. All right. So that was great, and I really thank you for opening up and really putting yourself in that situation. I'm sure that was difficult.
Yeah.
So I would encourage you maybe this next week, if you can take the activities we did, so changing your thoughts that you have towards your flask and being that temptation you have, to really start to say different things to yourself, like it's not healthy for me and whatnot, take that. And then also this activity, if you want to take this script home with you and read it the next time you go out with your friends, or every time you go out with your friends, before that, read it so you feel more comfortable or confident going to the bar, and really kind of changing your actions at the bar to not drink as much. Does that sound
That
something?
sounds really, really great.
Okay,
I
great.
think this is gonna help me a lot, cause I usually don't think,
Mm,
so by thinking about this, it's gonna help me change my behavior.
okay, great. So I'll see you next week, Jen.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you so much, I
Have a
really
good week.
appreciate it.
It didn't fucking work.